We could see more universities telling their students to go home if they see a spike in COVID-19 cases on campus. So what are the pros and cons? News 3 reporter Margaret Cavanaugh has more.
Parker Boggs is home on the Eastern Shore and not living as a freshman on the JMU campus. Last week, his school announced they were sending students back home after a rapid spike in positive COVID cases.
Almost everyone's jaws dropped when it was released.
Parker believes crowded dining halls and off-campus gatherings contributed to the problem.
And they asked us all to be sent home. We were able to file an exemption to stay if we had a reason, but they encouraged us to go back home with our families.
Parker would have preferred virtual learning on campus.
And use the resources that are there, use their internet that's obviously a lot faster than the Shore's internet. And I thought our dining halls would be reduced. Obviously, that did not happen. To a lot of the shock of students.
JMU just reported about 1,000 COVID cases. They sent out a statement last week saying they were concerned about having enough space to isolate and quarantine students if needed, and felt that it was safer to ask them to leave campus. Some medical experts disagree with this.
They're sending people away from the college campus in one certain location to all over the country or even all over the state. To spread the virus. So it's actually much more dangerous to do that than just keep them there, quarantine them at that location.
Colleges are working hard to prevent the spread.
Everywhere I looked, there was a hand sanitizer station.
Norfolk State has sent out several videos to help educate students and staff. This is one of those videos. Students told to wear masks, social distance, and no big parties. Universities are making difficult decisions. Parker just wishes students were asked for more input at his school.
The school had to do it for a reason. I completely understand. But it's just the fact that I think the students need an input as well.
We are the most innovative country in the world. It just means we need to put our heads together and say, how do we keep them here and how do we do it safely?
I'm Margaret Cavanaugh for News 3.